Welcome to the Big Data and Machine Learning series from Implied Concepts. This course is about the most popular framework for big data computation, PySpark, and also about working with big data and IoT using Spark Stream, Kafka, and cloud computing.
In this course you will learn about what is Spark, why Spark is preferred over Hadoop. We will look into installation of PySpark with all required libraries into your machine. You will learn about the Spark logical architecture, what is master driver, cluster manager and nodes. We will learn about Spark context as an entry point to Spark jobs. We will look into RDD file systems, Amazon S3, Azure WASB, GCP's cloud storage, and local file systems.
We will learn about Spark data frames and Catalyst Optimizer. You will learn more than 14 different RDD functions for transformations and actions on data. We will look into more than 17 different Dataframe methods to work with data. We will have hands-on sessions both on local systems and on clustered environment in Jupyter Notebook for all the concepts and functions mentioned.
We will work with cloud-based clustered environment on Azure HDInsight, Google Cloud's DataProc, and Amazon EMR in detail. And finally we will look into Spark SQL-based commands to work in PySpark environment. We will explore statistic library of Spark ML and look into data visualization in Spark. And all these with the real-life dataset.
We will learn Spark streaming, Kafka, and real-world IoT architecture. We will know windowing and watermarking methods in Spark streams. We will work through 8 different examples in Spark streaming and Kafka.
So welcome to the course. We promise you will get solid foundation to work with PySpark after taking this course. Welcome to learning PySpark with cloud computing.